Okay guys, so decided to go out today, fish a couple creeks, a couple different spots in Slate Creek in Kentucky, and throw in a couple crappie jigs, some little small cranks, and we'll see what happens from there. Where's my Ned rigs? Wow. Somebody just died. Somebody done went and gone blew the truck up. What? Really? Yeah. It wasn't big, was it? Oh, that ain't bad. Get this tied on and I'll throw it out under them rocks. If I can even tie this line. Maybe that's a good thing. So, I'm on the other side where Aaron's at, casting, and get caught up right here. It's literally the only place I landed was in between two rocks, and there's a twig sticking up right in between the two rocks I'm hooked on. I can't even get it out. Had to cross the creek. Stupid. Got it. Reel her in. If you get a fish, I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, mine is going sideways for some reason. Might be where it's going downstream. Okay. There it goes. Looks like it, don't it? Try it real quick. Just try it real quick. Yeah, it's pretty deep out in the middle. There's actually a tree right there. Am I in the way? I think he might be. I don't know what's wrong with my freaking crawdad. It was like having a seizure or something. That don't look too bad. Right there. Where? On up? Right in there. It's definitely deeper. They just ain't hitting it. They ain't hitting it, son. I wonder if it has to do anything with, I haven't seen any crawdads in here, so I think it has something to do with it. They ain't hitting a crawdad.
I don't know, but that smell will get worse.
We've literally got to be near a place where they literally don't poop into this freaking creek. If we go any further, I might vomit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go further.
I say we turn around and try a new spot, dude. I don't think we're gonna catch it.
Do you want to try on the other side, or just go to the next?
I say just go to a completely new spot.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so? Let me try a couple more times. I wanted to get to that tree. I feel like that's where the juice is. And we didn't have any luck here, did we? So we didn't have any luck here.
I'm just gonna go out in the middle and drown myself.
Okay, I say we go to the next spot. What do you say?
I see you're right.
I say I haven't probably caught anything because my freaking hooks are so small. Well, we're gonna head to the next spot, and I guess we'll see you guys there. That's a good hit. Dang it.
Yours is a little bit. Is your crawdad a little bigger than mine?
You gotta be freaking kidding me again. I don't know. How did I even get in this tree? Watch yourself.
Okay, where's this different? This is a different color than mine.
Yeah. That shouldn't matter. They hit it. Oh, that might have been a 6-inch one. Wait, it hit? They said there was another hit. Man. Dang it. Didn't have much luck at the last spot we was at. Guys, tried the creek fishing and only caught one fish. Just came over here to a pond behind the house. It's got some nice crappie in it and some nice bass, so see if we can get some hooked up real quick. What are you gonna throw?
I'm gonna put this brush up.
With the weight on it?
Yeah.
It's really mossy. It's really mossy. So far, nothing on my Cinco. So much moss. Well, been fishing this pond for probably what, Aaron, 2 hours?
Yeah, about 2 hours.
Haven't caught a single thing besides 2 bluegill. Actually, just 1 bluegill. Just caught like 5 bass and 3 crappie last night. Having no luck tonight, so I think we're gonna call it a night and go home.